In the shadow of the crooked stone, where the glass house peaks stand all alone, Coonowrin rises, weathered and steep, from a fire the ages keep.
20 million years and more since molten rock pushed through the floor. Now the softer world has worn away and left your dark heart in the day.
Layer on layer, time rolls on, dust to river, dust to dawn. I look up where the ridges climb and feel the weight of deeper time. Oh, Mount Coonowrin cut the sky, hold the clouds as they drift by. We saw bones and shoulders green, oldest witness I have seen. Through the heat and through the rain, you rise above the coastal plain. Oh, Mount Coonowrin standing still, time runs down your broken hill.
Gum trees lean in the afternoon, magpies call their silver tune. Shadows move across your face, slow as light through open space.
From the drone above, the valley spread, fields of green and roads like thread.
Beerwah waits beyond the haze, Tibrogargan turns his gaze.
Every scar and fractured line speaks in stone, not words or signs. The earth remembers what we miss in silence old. Then I'll wish, oh, Mount Coonowrin cut the sky, hold the clouds as they drift by. The saw bones and shoulders green, oldest witness I have seen. Through the heat and through the rain, you rise above the coastal plain. Oh, Mount Coonowrin standing still, time runs down your broken hill. Before the roads, before the names, before the fences cross the plains, before our brief and restless days, you were shaped by fire and raised. Now the evening gold comes slow across the fields and scrub below, and I am small but not alone beneath your ancient spine of stone. Oh, Mount Coonowrin cut the sky, hold the last light burning high. The salt bones and shoulders green, oldest witness I have seen. Through the heat and through the rain, you rise above the coastal plain. Oh, Mount Coonowrin standing still, time runs down your broken hill. Oh, Mount Coonowrin dark and high, set against the endless sky. Glass house country wide and clear, 20 million years are here. As the sun sinks in the western blue, the evening gathers over you. Coonowrin, ancient, worn and wise, still holding up the fading skies. Coonowrin, Coonowrin.
fading sky.